back, children. Still now, in your previous classes, in your 6th and 7th standards, you studied reading and making maps of different kinds in your 6th standard, and as well as reading different kinds of maps in your 7th standard. Now we are going to observe same reading, and something is changed. We are going to analyze the maps, different kinds of maps, how the different kinds of maps are. We are going to analysis. Before going to discuss, already we discussed in our previous year about your academic standards. 6 academic standards. As per the academic standards only, your examination pattern will be, and your question paper will be there. You know that. If we come to the point, who made different kinds of maps, why they made different kinds of maps, how the discussions were going on, after so many discussions, this analysis was started. And after this analysis, while they are making these different kinds of maps, as per their knowledge, as per their idea, as per the availability of resources, they placed some of the countries in the middle of the map. First attempt, somebody made the maps. Later, some people came and made the maps. And about these maps, some books were written. Different kinds were going on here. So, once again, I am recalling you children. Here, in our 6th and 7th standards, we learnt already about the directions. And as well as about the different kinds of maps. Different kinds of maps, and as well as the difference between map and photograph. The difference between map and photograph. We discussed directions, and we discussed different kinds of maps, and as well as we discussed difference between map and photograph, and as well as we discussed conventional symbols. and as well as we discussed here, different physical divisions. Here we are going to discuss about the history of the maps. Let us see here. In our 6th and 7th standard, we discuss directions and as well as different kinds of maps, how they are, what they are, how can we point out the different kinds of maps, and as well as we already learnt about the difference between map and a photograph, and as well as the conventional symbols, and later we also discussed physical divisions like mountains, plains, plateaus, like this, and we are going to discuss about the history of the map. If we see here the history of the map, earliest maps, who prepared the earliest maps we are going to discuss. Here in our 8th standard also we are going to discuss case studies of particular people, and here services are there, different kinds of services. There is the public service and private service, public and private services. And as well as we are going to discuss this year about the Singareni Coal Galleries Limited, SCCL. How is the lifestyle of the Singareni Coal Galleries Limited? Who established the Singareni Coal Galleries Limited? And later on, who purchased it? We are going to discuss this year. We are going to discuss here case studies and as well as the public and private services, and about the Singareni Coal Galleries Limited, and in our markets about the paddy agriculture market. Each and everything we are going to discuss this year. Why? Because all these are useful for our future. So the government of Telangana, it is introduced all these in our standards. Here we are going to analysis. Already we learned how to make a sketch map by using the directions, and after making that map we learn to read the map. Yes, first time we learn how to make the maps. After learning, again we learn how to read the map. Now we are going to learn by reading. We are going to analyze how these maps are useful. Who prepared these maps? When these maps were prepared for the first attempt, where was written about these maps? Who wrote about these maps? We are going to discuss. Here, once again, let us try to understand. In our previous classes, we discussed directions, different kinds of directions. Here, 4 directions we discussed. You know that? What are they? If we see here, north, south, east, and west. And after, different kinds of maps also we saw. That is the physical maps, political maps, climate maps, thematic maps, and measuring heights from the sea level, and as well as conventional symbols also. By using the conventional symbols, we point out some particular areas. These different kinds of maps we read in our previous classes. Here, if we come to the analysis of these different kinds of maps, the earliest maps, if we see the history of the map, the history of the maps, if we see here, the earliest maps were made by Greeks. Who made the earliest maps? Greeks. Here, these maps, while they are making these maps, variety of purposes they made for trade purpose. And Babylonians. This is present Iraq. Babylonian is in present Iraq. They prepared here maps. How they prepared these different kinds of maps and how they analysis them. By using the Greek books, by using the Ptolemy books. They made the different kinds of maps here. Here they placed Greece in the middle of the country. Why? Because they know only about their country. They don't know about the other countries. At that time, at present we have different kinds of information, lot of information, but in olden days there was no information, there was no social media, there was no news channels, but they tried. That's why they placed Greece in the middle of the map, and as well as they placed Greece as the middle of their country. Here different kinds of maps they made. After making these maps, some people, historians, and as well as the geographers, these geographers analysis these maps. They started analyzing of these maps. While they came for analyzing of these maps, in their analysis, they said different words regarding these maps. For making of these maps, and as well as placing these different kinds of areas, and as well as the rivers, and to know the border surrounding countries, there was a difference is there. And as well as after that, Romans also made maps. After Babylonians, the Romans made the maps. That is the world maps they made. When they made these maps at that time, in our previous class we discussed, whenever we stand in front of the map, always the top shows the north, the bottom shows the south. But when they made the different kinds of maps for analysis, they made here differently. That is they placed south on the top, they placed north on the bottom. Differently they placed, as per their knowledge. Whatever the analysis they are doing here, as per their knowledge, they place their countries. We are discussing here, north is on the top, bottom is south. But when the Romans were prepared here maps, they placed south is on the top and north is on the bottom. So here, my dear children, let us see here, we are going to read an analysis of maps, and here in our 8th standard also we are going to do 4 projects, and as well as you are going to write 4 essays. Same common from 6th standard to 10th standard. Here you are going to read and analyze maps, but in our previous classes we read and we make the maps. After making these maps, this year we are going to analysis from the Greeks, from the books of Ptolemy. The earliest maps were made by the Babylonians, who made the earliest books. Earliest maps were made by the Babylonia. Where was this Babylonia at present? The Babylonia was in Iraq at present. And the next another one is Greeks also prepared the maps. They placed the Greece in the middle of the map. And geographers also started analyzing of these maps by using the history of these maps. And later Romans, they also made here maps, and they also analyzed these maps by using the world map, and they placed south is on the top and they placed north is on the bottom. But actually we discussed north is on the top, south is on the bottom. But here this is little bit differently they placed as per their knowledge. Totally differently they placed here. So let us try to continue. In our upcoming class, we discuss about the history of the maps and who prepared different kinds of maps, why they prepare these different kinds of maps, who prepared these different kinds of maps, and how and why they prepare different kinds of maps, how we analysis of these different kinds of maps we discuss in our upcoming class.